Cut! Why is Mrs. Who's doing here? Oh, I'm just Summer Suzu's replacement because Summer Suzu's at the water park with Malik Wombat and Mama Uga. In fact, I do have the footage. Phew. Now that's really important. Right, Hero? Yes, Tucker. Alright, Simon, Mama Uga. I'm coming down on the wonders ride. Alright, I'm ready for promotion. Okay. I'm coming down the wonders ride. Yay! Ooh, trash! Ah, that was fun, wasn't it, Simon? Yes, it sure was, Malik. It sure was. Winning all day long. After Summer Suzu comes back from his water park, we'll do take 7.
And action!